Hey cuties, no need to wrestle for the frame. We can see both of you. These cows are living such a royal life that I'm honestly a little jealous. Those VR glasses are creating a whole new world of lush green pastures just for them. And guess what? A happy cow means tastier milk. That's why keeping them stress-free is so important. After a thorough cleaning, advanced tools take over to automate the entire milking process. The fresh milk travels through specialized pipes straight into containers, without any outside contact. And once the milking is complete, the device automatically detaches, making the process smooth and efficient. French butter is famous for its rich flavor and creamy texture, thanks to traditional methods that focus on quality and taste. The process starts just like regular butter making, but before it reaches its secret step. The magic touch that makes it uniquely French, you'll notice that shiny packaging. That alone tells you how delicious it's going to be. As the regular butter arrives at the mixing, or you could say kneading unit, they ensure it has already gone through the essential fermentation process. This step is key to achieving that signature taste and smooth consistency. This is one of the secret steps behind that rich, creamy texture of French butter. The butter is kneaded in a traditional wooden station, a technique passed down through generations in French butter making. Using wooden tools, the butter is manually worked to achieve a softer, more consistent texture. This process also helps remove any remaining buttermilk, ensuring a pure and refined final product. French butter isn't just about taste. It's a tribute to the country's rich culinary heritage. And with an impressive 82% fat content, it packs a flavorful punch. That's what gives French butter its rich, creamy goodness, the kind that makes your taste buds do a happy dance. It brings back the pure, traditional taste that butter lovers adore. At this stage, a touch of salt might be added, not just for flavor, but also as a natural preservative. But in true French style, they use salt sparingly, letting the butter's natural richness shine through. Okay, I'm not sure if that thumb move is personal or just a signature style, but hey, it's a vibe. Now it's time for shaping. First, they extract the butter into smaller chunks, getting it ready for the final steps. Did you just spot that old man testing the equipment in a, let's say, unusual way? Now, on to the shaping process. French butter is carefully molded into its iconic forms, whether round or rectangular, often using handheld tools. This not only adds to its artisanal charm, but also plays a key role in firming up its rich, creamy texture. But it's not just about looks. This is where centuries-old hand skills come into play. The techniques used in French butter making have been passed down through generations, making it more than just an ingredient. It's a true cultural heritage. Many artisanal butter makers take great pride in preserving these traditions, ensuring every bite is as authentic as ever. These traditional methods ensure that the art of French butter making continues to thrive, even in today's modern world. And honestly, it looks pretty fun too. All those beautifully shaped butterballs are carefully packed into plastic containers to keep them fresh for as long as possible. That way, you can enjoy the pure, cultured goodness of authentic French butter anytime. Chefs absolutely love French butter for its versatility in cooking. With its high butterfat content, it's perfect for creating flaky pastries, velvety sauces, and mouth-watering desserts. Meanwhile, in a completely different part of the food industry, fish cutting and deboning in factories play a key role in the global supply chain. Let's dive into that next. This process spans across continents with fish sourced from diverse regions worldwide. To maintain top-notch quality, strict control measures are in place throughout the fish cutting and deboning process, ensuring consistency in every batch. Now, shifting gears to something fresh and flavorful, wet salads. These delightful creations combine crisp, fresh vegetables with zesty dressings or marinades, resulting in a refreshing and satisfying dish. Their vibrant colors, bold flavors, and perfectly blended textures make them a true feast for the senses. Oh, and speaking of refreshing, have you tried those chunky ice popsicles? They're seriously so good. One bite, and you get an icy burst mixed with the real taste of fresh fruits. Pure summer vibes. As the molding sheets roll forward towards the freezers, these crunchy ice pops are prepared, ready to be enjoyed anytime. They look absolutely delicious, chilled, crispy, and bursting with flavor. But before they reach you, they need to get dressed for the journey. The entire packaging process is fully automated, with only a few workers ensuring quality control. While machines churn out thousands of ice pops daily, the human touch makes sure every single one meets the highest standards. Now let's talk about another popular treat, breakfast cereal bars. These handy snacks have gained worldwide popularity, enjoyed by people of all ages across different countries. Whether for a quick breakfast or an on-the-go energy boost, they've become a staple in many diets. They're not just a quick fix for busy adults. They also make the perfect snack for kids' lunchboxes or after-school activities. Some people even get creative with them, crumbling them over yogurt or oatmeal, using them as a base for homemade granola bars, or adding them to desserts for that extra crunch and flavor. Definitely a must-try. From the very first bite, you're hit with that irresistible taste, the flavors of your favorite baked treats melting in your mouth. But it's not just about the taste. Keep watching, and you'll soon understand why I always rave about this. Factory processes. Simple as that. They're efficient, they're cool, and they're super satisfying to watch. You might not love every single treat being made, but let's be honest, resisting these videos, that's pretty tough. I truly appreciate you sticking around and investing your time from the very beginning. If you love watching sugary treats being made, especially on a massive scale, then go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Trust me, it works. That's a wrap for today, but our flavorful journey is far from over. If you want more videos like these, you know where to find us. See you in the next one.